The whole purpose is that you have come through a party seat, you go and face the electorate again, whether with that party, independent or a third party. That's the whole long and short of this, Malas. Malas, have your lordship ever heard this happening except in some very rare cases in England or other democracies? There's no concept, I've come on a party, I'll either resign or I'll just leave that and fight again from another party. That was the whole purpose of this. But what you are telling the court is that no, I will affirmatively not resign. I will not go to the EC. Why? Because I'm scared that somebody will disqualify me. But then what was Mr. Ashok Sen enacting in 1985? He's enacting a power of disqualification for changing a party. What is the purpose of 2/3 of parliament saying so if you can simply...
What is the harmonization principle that you're referring to?
Harmonization is this fourfold, well, it's 5 originally with the faction, otherwise 4, are the flexibility, play in the joints, affirmative permissibility part of the 10th schedule. And the 21A, 21B is the negative prohibitory part. You can do all these 4 without doing the negative part. For the negative, you don't have to violate the negative part for any of these 4. I will say, even if you go to the election commission, you don't have to violate a whip. You don't have to voluntarily give up your party. You say, I'm on principle, please decide this.
So in other words, you are saying, other than those 5 instances,
4 now.
Everything else falls within the net of 10 schedule.
And one more thing I'm saying, that 10 schedule, absolutely correct. And the 10 schedule has both parts. It has those 4, it has a negative. It creates a whole code by itself. Harmonization means that your lordship will adopt my submission and interpretation because it harmonizes the negative and the positive. Now for 30 seconds, see if your lordship does not adopt the harmonization principle. The only thing a lordship will have to validate is a 3-step procedure. There's nothing else, Malas. It's staring a lordship in the face. The 3-step procedure, I want to ask myself, Malas, in which case will the 10th schedule bite? Let's, Malas, be very blunt. What your lordship will do is your lordship's domain. But today, your lordship's other option, other than my option, which I am submitting most humbly and respectfully, is adopt the 3-step procedure or validate it or recognize it. Well, then how will 10th schedule apply? It cannot. And then, Malas, your lordships would be actually adopting an interpretation which reduces the 10th schedule to vanishing point. Actually vanishes, that vanishing point, it vanishes.